Hi, welcome to my house, my London's home. I got so many questions from you regarding this apartment, so I decided to reveal the whole truth for you today. Why have I chosen this place? What's so good about it? How much is monthly rent? What additional bills you will need to pay on top of your rent? And most importantly, how much it will cost you to buy a similar place. So if you decided to move to London and choosing the right place for you, or you just want to know how international sales manager lives in London, stay with me until the end and you will know the whole truth, including the price for a similar apartment.
Money!
Yes, we will talk money in this video. If it's the first time you see me, I'm Anna. Welcome to my channel. I was born in Moscow and I moved to London about 12 years ago. I finished my education here and also built my career. Welcome to my channel.
Welcome.
I hope you will enjoy it. Let's start with why. Why have I chosen this particular place 4 years ago? Before I moved to Norway last year, I spent 3 fantastic years in this particular building. In quite similar, just smaller 2 bedrooms apartment just on the 2nd floor. Now we are on the 16th floor. The view here is probably the most beautiful I ever had in my entire life. Let's enjoy it together. So why have I chosen this particular building? Right, in 2016 I was coming from Pimlico tube station, and when I was crossing Vauxhall Bridge I saw this development and I fell in love with it from the first sight. It is truly iconic, and if you're a fan of James Bond movies, you will understand what I mean. By the way, MI6 is right there. You can even see it from the balcony. The location is superb. It's literally 20 minutes walk to the Parliament and to gorgeous Big Ben. It's 40 minutes walk to Oxford Street and the same 40 minutes walk to Tower Bridge. You just need to follow the river. The London Eye and vibrant South Bank are also 25 minutes by foot. I'm telling you, the location is perfect. Do you like this video so far? Don't forget to smash that like button. It doesn't cost you anything, but it will show to the algorithm that this video is useful. So hit the like button. And also consider subscribing to my channel if you want to know more about life in different countries. Also, professionally speaking, the location is ideal for me. It's like a hub. As an international sales manager and also business developer, my London's location was rather travel hub for me than just home. To prove my point, let's have a look at the map. We have about 30 minutes to Heathrow Airport, 25 minutes by train to Gatwick Airport, and about 10 minutes by tube to King's Cross and St Pancras train station. Can't be any better when you travel like crazy, can it? So what about transportation prices from this location? It's about £40 to Heathrow Airport. From Victoria train station to Gatwick Airport, it's £12.40. The tube to city centre is 2.40. Taxi from or to this place from city centre is about £10-15. I highly recommend you staying in this area when you're coming to London next time as a visitor. This development is like the city in a city. It has its own dry cleaning services, a couple of restaurants. That place is awesome. I never saw it before. It wasn't there a year ago, but actually later on I might even work from there. Coffee shop, a pub, supermarket and a beauty salon. The beauty salon is right behind me. And centralized concierge place, the reception, so you will never miss your parcel. Yes guys, I forgot to mention there is also dental practice here, just to fix your teeth. if you urgently need these services. Also the gym on site. It doesn't include in your rent agreement. You need to pay for it separately, but you can see the price is quite decent considering that we are in central London. 23.99 per month, and the gym is open 24/7. This is really cool. So this building was finished in 2010. It's not extremely modern, but it's not too old either. Let's have a look how the apartments inside look like. And yeah, as I told you, this is the exact building. I spent 3 years of my life before I moved to Norway. Letterbox. Welcome guys, welcome. So this is the apartment. What's inside? Every single apartment here has a very similar, I would even say quite the same finishing. Same floor, the doors, the ceiling, the lighting, even the kitchen. I used to have exactly the same furniture in the kitchen in my previous apartment where I was living for 3 years before I moved to Norway. Appliances here have been changed though. They are quite modern. 2-bedroom apartments in this building usually have 2 bathrooms. One is the bigger one with a bathtub, and the second one is smaller, just with a shower, but usually the second one is inside master bedroom. Don't ask me why this bedroom has 2 beds.
Why? Why not?
It wasn't my desire or request. Bedroom has 2 options of the view. The first one, you can see London Eye and Mr. Big Ben, and the second one, new build and modern development of this area. Second bedroom. I would love to have my YouTube studio here. What do you think if I create a studio out of this room? Do you like it as much as I do? Please drop me a comment below. How do you feel about this place? Also, this apartment is so spacious. Every single room has a different view from a different corner. And also it has a balcony, and the view is to die for. By the way, I'm still using my action camera GoPro Hero 8 to film all my vlogs with its original remote. I will drop you a link in the description below to this video. It's an affiliate link, and if you click on it, it will bring you right away to its Amazon page where you can find all information about my beloved filming equipment. Shh! Big secret to open you today.
Secret? What secret?
Actually, I'm planning to rent this apartment long term as soon as my project in Norway is finished. So, the best for the last. How much does it cost per month? Monthly rent here will be about £3,000. On top of your rent, you will need to pay utility bills and some other important bills to come. Your annual electricity bill in this place will be approximately £747, which is about £63 a month. Water is included in your rent in this building usually, so basically you don't need to pay your water bill if you rent an apartment here.
Yes!
What else? Yes, council tax and the internet, of course. Unfortunately, this area has one of the highest council taxes in London. So your council tax here will be approximately £240 per month. As the internet, it depends on you. You can choose something with a £40 per month and it will be a decent speed, and also TV license. When you're in England, you need to pay for your TV license. Usually it's about £13 a month. So how much it will cost you to live in such a place? Let's calculate everything. So let's calculate how much it will cost you to live in such an apartment for a month. £3,000 rent. Electricity bill will be £104. Council tax £241. The internet about £40 and TV license about £13 per month. Yeah, it's never cheap, unfortunately, to live in London city centre. So what about buying this apartment? Well, considering its location, the size of the apartment and also the view you're getting with it, the balcony, I would consider its market price is £1 million. What do you think about this place? Would you like to live here? Would you ever consider buying it? Please let me know in the comments below. I will be happy to see your opinion. I'm filming this video as a part of my visualization, self-programming. So hopefully next year I will publish another video from right this apartment saying to you, guys, welcome to my next 2 years home in London. Thank you so much, guys, for being with me today. Stay safe, be happy, and keep visualizing your dreams. If you want something really strong, it will come true one day. I promise you. Stay safe, guys. I will see you next week. Bye.